we're at a phase in OpenAP. This is phase one, and it was about creating currency around advanced advertising. Right? One of the issues, the early issues that we ran into is that as Viacom and Turner and Fox and NBC all had advanced advertising products in the marketplace, the way that we were defining audiences differed. We were all using our own fusion methodologies to say, come up with an estimate of a in-target segment list for movie enthusiasts, right? And so the way that we defined that set was different from the way that Turner defined that set. And so the buyers were like, look, I'm not buying the same thing. And so there's an element of currency missing from the advanced advertising business, which we've solved in the phase one of OpenAP. We have a tool that allows advertiser agencies to come in, define their target segment using a wide variety of data sets, and then share that segment across multiple publishers who will then guarantee the buy against that common, right, against that common definition, audience definition. This allows buyers the opportunity to look at publishers on a relative basis, right? So they can evaluate share and how much they're willing to pay for advanced segments. It has done a great deal to provide momentum around the volume of investment in advanced advertising. Now, but all that said, I would say we're at the very earliest stages, right? There are advertisers for whom advanced buying is exactly where they should be, response-based advertisers. I would say certain categories, certainly the studio category, the auto category, the QSR category, enthusiastically. What do those things have in common? They tend to work a lot with data in the first place. They tend to be predisposed to buying it because they have the capabilities in-house to activate in that fashion. Over time, as other kinds of consumer product releases become more and more data-centric, you're going to see an increase in the buying against advanced segments. I would also say that this is really prep for an addressable marketplace where we're going to be matching advanced audience segments on a one-to-one basis more broadly. And so a lot of this is in prep for an addressable future, which we think is on the medium-term horizon, not that far away.
And finally, your hopes for OpenAP. You have a strong partnership. How important is it that the partnerships expand to other programmers? What might we see? We know NBC joined you guys recently.
Yeah, I think it's very important that others join. Right now, we represent, the member companies represent 50% of the domestic television impression supply. So we do feel like we're at a critical mass as it is. But I would expect there to be additional key publishers joining the consortium in the near term. We're going to be taking on other problems. So we solved, I think, the standardization and currency issue first. I would look for other kinds of ease of buying type of solution coming up in the near term. We have a product roadmap that we're developing internally, and we think within the next year or so should be out with some pretty exciting announcements and releases.